Hi everyone and welcome to $1 million App Ideas. I'm Pietro Messineo, I'm an indie dev and I successfully exited some apps in the past, and that's why I feel comfortable today in giving you some suggestions or even some recommendations on how you can enlarge your app portfolio, and why not, maybe even make some millions out of it. So in this new format I'm going to unveil 3 app ideas every week. For each app, we are going to see what is the app about, how much money it made in the last 3 months, how many downloads, how complicated it is to make such an app, and why not, also what could be the possible selling price. So the app that I picked today is an AR drawing app. So using or taking advantage of ARKit, we are able, it will allow us to basically follow the traits of the current drawing. So we can basically remark or follow the lines. So in your opinion, this app, how much money it made? Well, in the last 3 months, you will be surprised to know that this app made $73,000. It is very interesting because it seems like a lot of people are using it, but a lot, how much are we talking about? 1.47 million downloads in the last 3 months. So keep in mind that this app works in the way that you put a picture or you use one of the pictures that they are already there in the application, and while you are aiming with your phone, you are just following the lines because the image is like let's say it should overlap the paper, so it's like very complicated and annoying. You should use a tripod in order to use it. And that's why there is Vision Pro that could actually help you, because if you have Vision Pro, you have free hands and you can just follow the lines and you can put the drawing wherever you want, in a canvas or whatever. So I'm very much surprised about this big amount of people using it. Anyway, how complicated it is to make such an app? It's actually a 4 out of 10, and we will see very soon in the coding recipe what is needed in order to build such an app. But before to go there, what could be the possible selling price of this app? As always, there are several factors to consider, which is, for example, the revenue trends, profit margins, user growth rates, market potential, and even the app sustainability, so the expenses that the developer is having in order to keep the app alive. So usually we consider a revenue multiplier that range between 3 times and 10 times the yearly revenues. And so if this app made $73.1 thousand in the last quarter, we multiply it by 4, we will discover the yearly revenues, that is around $292,000. And so if we apply the basic 3 per multiplier of the yearly revenues, we get $877,000. So this app possibly could be evaluated for almost $1 million. Wow. Alright, so how can you make such an app? In our coding recipe, we need ARKit because we need it, as I said before, in order to see the real world around us and project somehow the picture, and then so we can follow the lines. And that's not actually it, because we also need replicate of the replicate.com, one of the tools that are available on Replicate, to modify using artificial intelligence our images in order to bring them alive as sketches, for example. So, as we said in the past few videos, we replaced the white rocks with how about monetization. And so you will be surprised to know that this app is having only 2 monetization ways, which is a weekly and a yearly subscription. They do not run A/B testing. And so imagine how much money this app could do if they were running A/B testing. Or even if they were offering a one-time offer in case people would reject the subscriptions. So if you are watching my video and you are the developer of this app, you are missing a lot of opportunities. And so as usual, where can I get my first 1,000 downloads? You can do a collaboration with an influencer on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, whatever. You could cold mail some blogs. You can do some ASO opportunities, or you can even use Apple search ads if you have some budgets to spend. So the app that I analyzed today is called AR Drawing, Paint and Sketch, and is made by Hui Nguyen. So I would recommend you to install it, download it, so you can understand how does it works. And by chance, if you have a Vision Pro, why not make it for that? Or maybe I should make it, right? So that wraps up our app idea of the day. I hope that these concepts spark inspiration for your upcoming app portfolio. As usual, I want to add a little disclaimer. All the data that you saw in this video related to revenues, downloads, are coming from public tools, and they should be considered as estimates, so don't take them as 100% source of truth, even though in the last few years I found out that all of those data are pretty accurate. So as usual, do not forget to subscribe to the Discord community, follow me on Twitter, and see you next video.